Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to the first blog of 2024. And today we are talking about fixture management. And I'm going to make a wild guess that your fixture management might suck or is not really great. A few shops do this well, but so many do it quite poorly. And it definitely causes waste in the form of just looking for fixtures while your machines are sitting idle. Occasionally, of course, you might even lose a fixture you have to remake. That's terribly expensive. And just the frustration of your shop employees as they look for something that should be a slam dunk. So there are three main points that I want to talk about with fixture management today. Number one is that your fixture should have a unique ID associated with them. It should be easy to look up about which part numbers they're used with, and of course, what that fixture ID number is. Number two, you should have a permanent and well-known storage location for every fixture that you can easily look up. So when someone goes to set up a job, look up where that fixture is, go right to the shelf or the rack or however you store your fixtures, grab that thing, and you're done. And then third, it should have sort of an active status of your fixtures. You know, whether they're company owned, whether they're client owned, when's the last time you made them? Again, which part numbers they're used on, any active work orders coming up that'll need that fixture, and even a process to ideally tell you when it's safe to recycle a fixture based on the last time it was made and the likelihood of having them made in the future or needing that fixture in the future. So all three of those things, surprisingly, or not surprisingly, are done in ProShop, and we've done those for the last at least 15 years. When you can combine those features together along with your work instructions and your setup notes, it's amazing how much smoother that process can go. It helps with setup reduction. It helps with additional throughput. We've often seen clients say that that feature, along with a bunch of others, help them to increase throughput and revenue if you have positive sales pressure by a good 25% on average. So it can be pretty significant. So hopefully those ideas can help you get your year off to a good start with improving the way you do fixtures. If you'd like to talk to us about how we do it, of course, we're always super eager to talk. So reach out to us anytime. Thanks for watching, listening, and reading the blog. Hopefully it inspires you a bit, and we'll see you on the next one.